Nuclear energy is the energy used to hold protons and neutrons together in an atom. So an atom contains a central nucleus. The nucleus contains protons and also neutrons. Electrons then orbit the nucleus. Within an atom, energy is stored in nuclear bonds. These are similar to the chemical bonds between atoms. But how can we release this energy? Nuclear energy can be released by splitting a large nucleus into smaller nuclei. Large nuclei have the potential to release lots of energy, as they have a large amount of energy within their bonds. A large nucleus can be split apart under the right conditions, and energy is released, as there is a difference in energy between the large and the smaller nuclei. This is because the smaller nuclei have fewer bonds. So can we use this process to generate electricity? Nuclear reactors produce electricity mainly by splitting uranium and plutonium nuclei. So uranium-235 and plutonium-238 are used as they split apart easily and they release large amounts of energy. Within a nuclear reactor, when the nuclei split, heat is produced. The heat is used to boil water, and the steam from this process is used to spin a turbine. So gas from the reactor towers isn't pollution, it's in fact just steam. So is nuclear fuel a renewable or a non-renewable resource? Uranium and plutonium are non-renewable fuels. They're made up from uranium ore. Uranium ore occurs naturally within soil, rock and water, so it's mined from the earth. They're not considered to be renewable as they can't be replenished in a short period of time. However, it is expected that these fuels will last for thousands of years. Nuclear fuel is expected to last this long as it's a very recent technology and much less of it is currently used. It also produces much more energy than fossil fuels. You don't need to know the details of how nuclear energy and reactors work for your exam, but you should be aware of the general concepts and also the energy changes which take place. So what are the overall advantages and disadvantages of nuclear fuels? The advantages are that there are zero carbon emissions, so there's no carbon in the fuel to be released. They also release huge amounts of energy, much more than fossil fuels. However, the disadvantages are that they are non-renewable, so we can't replenish the uranium ore in a short period of time. They also produce radioactive byproducts, so we have to carefully consider how to dispose of nuclear waste safely.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!